Namaste, welcome to the demo number 15, and in this demo we are going to discuss about Bernoulli Theorem. And in my school days I never get a hold of what the Bernoulli equations are saying, what does it mean, right? So for this demo we need a bottle wrapper, right? This wrapper is from a Pepsi bottle, so this is a very simple wrapper. And what you have to do, so first you have to put the wrapper, your mouth is below and the wrapper is on your upper lips, right? And you have to blow the air like this. So obviously since you are blowing air from the bottom, the wrapper will go up. But in the second state, what you have to do, you have to put the wrapper on your lower lips, and now you have to blow the air. And it's very common, the student says that it will it don't do anything, it will go down. So let's see what will happen when we blow air in this case. So you can see that my lips are above the wrapper and I am blowing the air, and the wrapper is coming up. So this very simple experiment is telling us about the Bernoulli theorem or Bernoulli equation. And the equation says that when the speed of the air or the fluid increases, its pressure decreases. With the increase in velocity, the pressure will decrease. And therefore, since I'm blowing the air, in this case when my lips are above the wrapper, I'm blowing the air, and therefore air on the upper side has a greater velocity, and therefore the pressure of the above air, the air which is above the wrapper, is low, and the air which is below the wrapper is at normal atmospheric pressure. And therefore, due to this pressure difference, since a higher pressure is acting from the bottom and a lower pressure is acting from the above side, the wrapper rises above. So this is a very simple demonstration about Bernoulli theorem, and this is the last demo of this certification course. And if you need any other certification course, you can also again tell us in the comment section. Thank you.